Kate Auction Realty is conducting an internet auction of Naples Boatworks. The owner is retiring after 25 years in the marine service business. Featured items include a 10,000-pound Yale forklift with an adjustable forklift boom, a very nice 2012 Chevy 4x4 diesel dually with extended cab. There's a snap-on tool chest, mechanics tools, power tools, special tools, and diagnostic equipment for servicing both outboard and inboard engines, including Yamaha, Mercury, Volvo, Mercruiser. New and used parts for Yamahas and Mercruisers, air compressors, hydraulic shop press, parts washer, drill press, marine rigging equipment, electrical fittings, all types of marine hardware, lubricants, service manuals, and much more. Go to the Kincaid website, www.kincaid.com, to see more details and register for bidding. Bidding will end on January the 29th. You can pick up your purchases in Naples on the 30th or the 31st, or we will ship them to you. Don't miss out on this exciting event. There's a great selection of quality items, and don't tarry. Go to www.kincaid.com and follow the links. You need a warehouse or workshop? The condo warehouse is also available in a separate auction.